Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to save PowerPoint as a PDF with 2 slides per page. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. We can see this presentation have many slides. Now we want to save or export the slide as a PDF per slide 2 page. Firstly, we go to the file menu, click the print option, then select the slides drop down menu. Now we can see here many options. You can add 3 slides on page or 4 slides on page. Now I am select the 2 slides, then select the printer drop down menu and choose Microsoft Print to PDF, then click print option. Now we can see here showing the save option. Now I am write my file name, then select save option, then wait some moment to exporting the file. Then go to our file location and select the file, then open this. Now we can see here the PDF file per slide 2 page or 2 slides. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.